Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Pancakeswap urgent latest update and what's the current price of Pancake, what's the prices occur in a Pancake, and what is the next move of Pancake. In this video I'm also discuss, so keep watching this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you friends because I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news friends. Let's talk about the price of the cake at this time friends. So the current price of the cake is about 36.73 USD dollar is the current price at this time in the market of Pancake. And if we talk about the price change occur in the of the Pancake, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week, the last 1 day and last 1 hour and last 1 week change as negative friends, except of these only the last 1 day price change as positive friends. The Pancake as a new cryptocurrency, so they were very good moving upward friends, but now it's a temporary fast in the last 1 week. As you know, today is the first week of the May friends, that is why over and over fast occur in the Pancake, that is why the changes is negative friends. If we talk about the market rank of the Pancake, so 31 is the market rank of the Pancake. Let's see the price chart of the Pancake for more details friends. The here on the screen, that is the last 1 day price chart of the Pancake. Here is a good news for all of you friends. As you can see here, the over and over jumping period of the Pancake are again start now friends. I hope that they can easily hit a 40 USD dollar in this week friends. If we talk about the price change occur in a Pancake, so positive 3.06% positive change occur in the Pancakeswap and only the last 1 day friends. Same like that if we talk about the highest price of the cake, so 37.57% highest price of the Pancakeswap in this time friends, and now the currently price is 36 friends. So there is only one USD dollar fast occur in the Pancake. But I hope that now if we do a technical analysis friends, so let's suppose that is a support line and that is our resistance line friends, fast hooker, and after a fast take a jump friends, and now they are again fast down for a little time. After some passage of time they again take a jump freeze, and I hope that they can easily break the resistance level. And as you know, when the resistance level breaks, so there is a big jump occur in the Pancakeswap friend. What's your opinion about Pancake? Please share in the comment box friends, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for watching this video friends.